To make chicken Parmesan, first preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 205 degrees Celsius. Then in a large mixing bowl, add 1½ cups, 75 grams of breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup, 25 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, and 1/2 teaspoon, 1.5 grams of garlic powder. Whisk the ingredients together until they're thoroughly combined. In a separate mixing bowl, add 2 eggs and beat them with a whisk. Pour 1 cup, 120 grams of all-purpose flour into a third mixing bowl. Then dredge 1½ pounds, 680 grams of chicken breasts in the flour and shake the excess off. Dip each chicken breast into the eggs, then immediately transfer them to the breadcrumbs and cheese. Roll the chicken breasts in the breadcrumbs to completely cover them. To cook the chicken, pour olive oil into a cast iron skillet until there's a thin layer covering the bottom. Heat the skillet over medium-high heat for a few minutes. Add the chicken to the skillet and cook it for 5 to 7 minutes or until it's golden brown. Flip the chicken halfway through. Transfer the chicken to a plate and blot it with a paper towel to remove excess oil. Then pour 30 ounces, 900 milliliters of marinara sauce into a baking dish and place the chicken breasts on top. Sprinkle 1 cup, 100 grams of shredded mozzarella cheese over the chicken breasts and bake them for 10 to 12 minutes on the center rack of your oven. Remove your chicken from the oven, garnish with parsley, and you're done.